Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cultivate Agri. In this session, we discuss the concept of fishing crafts, an interesting topic in fishery science. And in the upcoming videos, we discuss mechanized boats. So subscribe this channel to get notification. Let's start the session. In order to capture the fishes and sell in market, there is a need for fishing crafts. So the simplest way of understanding fishing crafts is it is a floating device used for fishing and transportation purposes. Now we divide the fishing crafts into two types. One is mechanized boats and the other one is non-mechanized boats. To achieve the high speed of fishing crafts and also to capture more number of fishes at shorter period, the movement of fishing crafts is done by engine. Note down the examples of mechanized boat. On the other hand, the non-mechanized boats is also known as indigenous boats. The movement of fishing crafts is done by paddles. Note down the examples of non-mechanized boat. It is the picture of a boat. Note down the parts of boat. Now we discuss the brief description of non-mechanized boats. A traditional boat made of wooden logs tied together by ropes is known as catamaran. A flat structure having pieces of wood tied together for floating purposes is known as raft. A boat having hollowed log and has sharp ends is known as dugout canoe. The dugout canoe are built with planks on the sides and are shown with coir ropes is known as plant-built canoe. It is the picture of catamaran. Here the wooden logs are tied together and it is triangular in shape. It is the picture of raft. Here the pieces of wood are tied together and it is square in shape. It is the picture of dugout canoe. It has hollow lag. It is the picture of plank-built canoe. Here the sides are made of plank for protection. Here the compartments are present for carrying goods. Now we discuss the catamaran. The catamaran is usually made of 3 to 5 logs up to 7 logs. Here one end is sharp and the other end is flattened to give it a triangular shape. The 5 types of catamaran is Periyamaram, Irukumaram, Kolamaram, Tundil Maram and Chinnamaram. It is the picture of Periyamaram. Periyamaram is made of 4 logs. Here a pair of log in the middle is long, makes convenient for sitting and paddling purposes. It is the picture of Irukumaram. It is made of 5 logs. It has long middle log and the lateral logs are small. It is the picture of Kolamaram. It is the largest catamaran made of 7 logs and also used for flying fish. It is the picture of Tundil Maram made of 5 logs. It is the picture of Chinnamaram. It is made of 3 logs and it is the smallest catamaran. I hope you understand the concepts of fishing crafts. The daily quizzes are uploaded in our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is provided in the community box. If you need any update, you can write it in the comment box section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.